This year I'm hosting more than 20 events, each one packed with incredible vehicles and unforgettable moments. From the iconic Mini to the mighty Challenger 2 tank, there is something for everyone. I capture every event I host on camera, sharing the highlights on the same day on my YouTube channel. So whether you're there in person or watching from home, you won't miss a thing. From cars to bikes, trucks to tanks, this is what's coming up in 2025. From discoveries to recoveries, mishaps to milestones, it's a celebration of the vehicles, the stories and the people behind them. All this and more is coming up, and you can see it all on YouTube. Just search and subscribe to Our Tip.